Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming back on today with 3 more challenge entries into my challenge giveaway that I'm hosting. Yay! This one is from Zamora. Hi Zamora, thank you so much for participating. I just took out your package and this is how she packaged up her goodies. It's super cute. It says, Erica, for you, my sweet. And then look at the little girl blowing the bubble gum. Isn't that adorable? Super cute. So I'm just gonna snip that and open up your package. So cute. Oh, this is really pretty tissue paper. Or is it tissue? It's different, but it's very pretty. So here is her mini loaded bag. Let me just zoom in. Look how gorgeous it is. Love the colors, of course. It says hello, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take out her 2 baking tags. They're so pretty. Measured to perfection. She embossed the tag with a heart embossing folder, and then she used the 3 spoons in different sizes, and she has a beautiful lavender bow with a really pretty heart right there, and then she's got some twine so that I can attach it. This is adorable. I love it. It's so pretty. Thank you, thank you. And she made another one. It's exactly the same. So I have 2. Yay. All right, I'm going to open up the inside, and she has a really pretty tassel dangling from her mini loaded bag. Let me zoom out just a tad. There we go. All right, so let's take a look. Oh, looks like she made me some handmade embellishments, and I love this iridescent sparkly paper. So pretty. But look, it says sweet smile, and then it says but first coffee. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then look at this one. It says sweet dream. Love it. Adorable packaging. Thank you for handmade goodies. I will put them to use. And let's check out her memory decks card. It says remember to play. Oh, I love it. And I love this image of that girl. And oh my gosh, I can't think of the name of the stamp right now. And she's got a pretty rosette with the Eiffel Tower, and I love that enamel dot. It's gorgeous. Thank you so much. All right, let me turn it over. Oh, you're beautiful. It's Veronica Zamora. She's Daisy Lou Designs. I just did a swap with her, but there she is, and you can find her on YouTube and on Instagram. You guys check out her channel and her Instagram feed. Amazing, talented young lady, and absolutely gorgeous, wouldn't you say? Oh my gosh, thank you, Zamora. I mean, Veronica. Zamora's her last name. Veronica's her first name. I'm sorry. Thank you, Veronica. I love your entry. Thank you for participating. All right, I have another entry I'd like to share with you, and we're going to open it up together because I'm not quite sure who this is from, but it's packaged up very nicely. So let me just take it out of the tissue paper. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so pretty. Look how she packaged it with this beautiful ribbon that I can reuse. Yay. And so I've got a card. So let me go ahead and open the card. And it says, hello, gorgeous. Oh, thank you. Hi, Erica. Thanks for hosting this awesome challenge. Your videos are always inspiring, and I always look forward to seeing what's next. Wishing you continued success. Tonya. So this is from Tonya. Thank you so much for participating. I truly appreciate it. And here is her mini loaded bag, and look how super beautiful it is. It says, hello, beautiful Erica. Oh, I love it. She's got some twine right there and some of these really pretty enamel dots, and look how she layered her pocket. It's beautiful, and it says delightful day. Oh, I love your bag. Okay, so let's see what's in the pocket. And this is her memory decks card. It's gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Oh, look at all the tiny trees. She's got a little scene outside with the little houses. It's gorgeous. I love the dies that you used. Oh my gosh, I'm inspired. Yay. All right, let me just turn it over so you guys can see. That's her name. She's Tonya Mann, and I don't think she has YouTube or Instagram, but that's okay. But this is who created this lovely creation. Thank you for being a subscriber, and thank you for participating. I love your memory decks card. And let's see, this is the back of, oh, this is a really pretty paper. All right, let's look inside. She added a little tab right there that says love. You guys can see that. So cute. All right, let's take out what she has in the inside, which I believe are these baking tags. So here's the first tag that she made, and it says be amazed. And I love that. It's really, really pretty. I like the crepe paper rosette, and I love the green. Gorgeous. Thank you for that. This one says beautiful, be your beautiful self. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love the colors of this paper line. I think this is the Maggie Holmes paper. It's so pretty. And then look at this tag. It says beautiful, and she used those really pretty enamel, like, enamel sparkle gems. I can't think, you guys. It's so pretty. I love it. And you made another Memory Decks card. Oh my gosh. Look how super cute. It's beautiful. And this is a beach theme. She used a Polaroid, and look at these beautiful palm trees. I love the dyes that you used. Look at that adorable crab right there, you guys. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I love it. Yay! Thank you for making 2 Memory Decks cards. That's so sweet. And it has her name down there, Tonya Mann. Oh, so adorable. And then she has this little package right here with some goodies, I'm assuming. So I'm going to open it up. Thank you so much. You guys have been so generous. I feel so blessed. I am just, I just can't even believe it. So let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, there's 2 more tags. Oh, these are her baking tags. I thought those were the tags. Those were just some additional tags. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Oh goodness, she made some cookies, and she used little enamel dots for the cookies, for the sugar cookies. And she's got this beautiful doily, and I love this stitched square die. Now I know this is the paper tray ink die, but I'm not sure about, is that part of that die set? I don't know. I have so many dies. I know that. I don't know if I have that. I'm going to have to look, but it's beautiful. I love the layering. It's gorgeous. And then I can stamp to and from on the back. Oh, love it. And then look at this one. So these are like, remind me of like summer colors. So I'm thinking I can do some sweet treats like ice cream cones or something like that and attach these tags to my cookies. I love the colors. They're vibrant and they're beautiful. Thank you so much, Tonya. This was an awesome entry. Thank you for participating, and I will put this entry off to the side because I'm going to share one more entry with you ladies. And this one is from Bev Espinoza, and we're going to find out her first name. So this is how it came packaged, so I'm just going to take it out. It's absolutely pretty. I think I accidentally tore the tissue paper. I'm sorry about that. All right, so this says Bev. Oh my goodness, let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's start out with the card. And it says Erica. She used a little candy. Super cute. It says, you're so sweet. Thank you. Oh, it's so cute. Let me look on the inside really quick. It says, Erica, thanks so much for always inspiring us to create and craft. I love all the sweet creations you share with all of us on YouTube and Instagram. Good luck to all the entries to the challenge. I've enjoyed watching all the creative entries. I do not do videos. I have attached my photo. My hubby wanted to know why his photo was chopped off. I told him, Erica doesn't want your photo. Ha ha ha. Happy crafting, Bev. That is so sweet. Thank you, Bev, for participating. Oh my gosh, that's too funny. And then she has like these little cards in here, and her information's on these cards. They're adorable. Oh, that's so sweet. That's hilarious. Okay, so let's look at her entry. This is what she created. This is her beautiful mini loaded bag. And it has a sweet ice cream cone that is dimensional. Super cute. I love that stamp that you put on there. It says, you make life sweet. And then it has a flag right there. Super cute. So let's take out the first thing in this pocket. It has my name. Love my name in purple. Yay. Thank you so much. And she has, oh, I think she just has some little, oh, they're like the little ice creams and embellishments and the little spatula that I can use on a future project. Thank you so much for that. I'm going to put that back in the envelope so I don't lose it. Thank you. And then let's see what else. Oh my gosh, these are her tags. Look how super cute. They're ice cream cones and they say from Erica. And you have really good handwriting, or is that printed? Oh, and then she has the washi tape on the twine. These are so cute. So there's one in the blues and then that super cute pink. And she has Winka Stella. Excuse me, I'm sorry guys. The Winka Stella is absolutely gorgeous. It makes the tags pop and gives it sparkle. I love this. Thank you so much. So cute. I love the size. And see, here's her little spatulas, and that's what she gifted me in that little bag. And she's got a pretty bow with that really pretty ribbon. Thank you. I love the way you decorated your bag, and it says handmade by Bev. Oh, thank you so much. All right, so she's got a few more things in here. I'm just gonna take everything out. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this looks like her Memory Dex card, and I'm gonna go ahead and open up her Memory Dex card. Oh, it's Bev Espinoza on YouTube. Let me just cover up her address. Look how beautiful she is. Bev, thank you so much. I love, love, love this. It says, have a sweet day. And there is all the information where you can find her, Instagram, YouTube, and she loves dark chocolate as well. Yay, so cute. And look at the front, you guys. It says, smile, you make life sweet. And she went with the ice cream theme, and it's dimensional, you guys. So see how she layered that? And she die cut it out several times to give it dimension. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then her ice cream cone has a bow. I mean, stop it. It's adorable. It's so cute. Yay. Thank you so much. I love your Memory Dex card. I tell you guys have inspired me so much. So this is how her tag came in this really pretty doily. So this is a baking tag, and she used a pretty apron die, and it says sweets for the sweet. And she's got a spatula and a really pretty bow with a heart, maybe a heart sticker, and then the mitten on top. Oh, it's pretty. And then look at the bottom. She added a little bit of trim on the bottom. Gorgeous girl, love it. And then she stamped 2. Perfect, love your entry. Oh my gosh, there's so many amazing entries. And then look at this one. It says sweets for the sweet. And oh, look at that pretty ribbon. That's really cute with the hearts. It's sparkly. And then there's one more, and it's the same as the other ones, it looks like. But she sent me 3. Oh my gosh, did you send me 3? Yes, 3 of these beautiful tags. They're gorgeous. I love them. And then this one has this really pretty gingham ribbon. And then she stamped the 2 on there. Oh, I love your tags. I love your entry. Thank you so much for participating. Yay! And then if that wasn't enough, you guys, she sent me a whole bag of goodies. Oh my gosh. So let's just take a peek. Looks like there's a lot of stuff in here, you guys. Oh my gosh. So oh my gosh, she sent me some more tags. Oh my gosh, she made me more tags with my name. Oh my goodness, I'm just, oh my gosh, look you guys, look at that one. It says from Erica. She's got a heart and it's layered like so many times. The cute twine, love that. That one says from Erica. And look at all these, they all are from Erica. And they're adorable on a banner tag. And then look at the pretty tool. She has different ribbons that she used on the top. Oh, this is so sweet. So I can also just use these on like crafty things that I make. And then, you know, it can say from Erica. I will put these to use, I promise. Thank you so much. That's so kind. Oh my gosh. And then what else did she send? She sent some ribbon. Oh, some pretty doodlebug ribbon. Thank you for that. And then this looks like some type of glitter that I can use on maybe rosettes and some tags. Oh my gosh, this is so sweet. She sent me some sea salt almond chocolate. Oh my gosh, I love this chocolate. Thank you, thank you. I love sea salt caramel and I love sea salt dark chocolate. It's delicious. And then she sent me some beautiful clips. Oh my gosh, thank you, thank you. And then these super cute Sweet Treat erasers. Oh my gosh, this is such a blessing. Thank you so much. Oh, I wish I could give you a big hug, each and every one of you. Oh my goodness, please show these ladies some love. Visit their channels, their Instagram, and make sure you leave them a comment on this video telling them what you think of their creations, you guys. Just amazing talent. Thank you for watching, and I will be back with more entries, and I will see you guys soon. Bye for now.